In front of me is XIAOMI Leica Leitzphone, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to locate and open Gallery app. Now tap on Photos or Albums. Don't worry, you can delete photos the same way, no matter from where. Just hold one you wanna get rid of, and click on Select All at the top right corner of all of those sections. Or to pick all of your photos, click on this icon of 3 check marks at the top right corner. Wherever you decided, when you're ready to keep some of your photos, slide your finger across the chosen ones. And then to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!